Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix camera shutter lag in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on camera. Now click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update, and then on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and here you can see the option erase all data. Now click on it. Now here enter your password to erase all data. Erase all data basically means factory data reset. It will remove all the data in your device like photos, videos, documents, everything will be removed in your device. After do factory data reset, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.